Malungil sil sumeramiro kui, sulang al tunin na TMC nga ang klera shiro, ya el al sil seng Thursday, December 15, ya gaigi dam lo mayang al ais al sa amaloto. Magot al mayang al ais, asera last week, obisra Vice President amlot maut el remula activities in recognition of the 16 days of activism. Kita ungil madengel mo violence against women at taragot MCC human rights violations. Etal 16 days of activism all ngasel raise awareness against such acts. Sa December 7, 2022, at tangakal President Surang Whips Jr. amlesayang a proclamation 22-334 niya declared December and January as Red Ribbon months and establishes November 25 to December 10 as a time to observe White Ribbon Day and 16 days of activism. Mataramayang al-Ais, astera last till Tuesday, December 13, 2022, Palau hold a special election and mo elect a senator elngi amo filler cell vacancy left by the late Honorable Senator Regis Agitaya. Votes cast will determine the next representative in the Senate to serve the 2 remaining years of the term of the late Senator Agitaya. Malwaise, yagaigi the unofficial results are taldirum lomregal senkyo. Anklol at Singeo, Angilua 1,128 votes. Alenser Basilios, Angilua 1,292 votes. Ya Salvador Sadoy Talams, Angilua 1,561 votes. Ya Jackson M. Henry, Angilua 751 votes. Mataramayang al-Ais, QPB ang Mostoba Urior Rangayaur. Wanagombali ra Hawaii, el niya contracted with the U.S. military, ang Rangayaur along ngasel el remove bombs. However, QPB amlo nga matig el motil Talungab at diya permitted tier el mulugar wakarakar na vegetation. Therefore, the company was forced to stop their work and can be resumed only if they agree to comply with EQPB order and until grant has been permitted. That Klolbasho, located next to airport in Palau ngayaw and has been leased to the U.S. military for over $3 million. Direkal nga niya tarabasho el niya ngara all ngarar that has also been leased for a similar radar. Selboluldar igal tablol radar projects and swalmo cost over $100 million and will be constructed in the next 5 years. Mataramayang al-Ais, ang Arart State is moving forward to develop its tourism potential by marketing 100 cultural sites which are spread throughout the state. By early next year, 2023, a programa mo ra Obakaldraw, el ngiya basyo el medrangar okla. Obakaldraw is a site where Tule brought his lover Sure and beheaded her after receiving a message from his family el mo madrangobur da swallo mesra madalangal mal klobogol dil. The legend ra Sure matulay at taragot el famous love story ra al Palau that has been told for generations. Governor Sharp Saruma amla initiate activities on sites of ancient communities in the state to market not only for visitors, madirekal adrabalu, matogubet sa rangal grasful, magsiir milisi aklam ding ertir rakli ibelargid. Tiang adirekal mo ulaw dod al morabalu ng rar. Mataramayang al-Ais sa mloringiya first 2 drug charges of 2022. Office Attorney General le file la first 2 drug charges ra alsela 2022. Charges were Yusuke Smart Adachi Matalams Johannes for trafficking and possession of methamphetamine, also known as ice. Mr. Adachi le charged with 2 counts of trafficking controlled substance, el felony carrying a jail sentence of not less than 25 years, a direcal fine of not less than $50,000. Ganga directly charged with 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance. Ngia directly felony, carrying a sentence of not less than 5 years, ma fine and not less than 10,000. Ako Mr. Talams Johannes, I'm charged with 1 count of trafficking of controlled substance and 1 count of possession of controlled substance. Tigal terung am charged ra ongel talbes sa loola drugs, el ngia malmering la galapsingel. Matara mayang al ais, apipiu siya swal informa belu, momoringia o gadalela dengi, ra bebira bashor al selo orior. Tiang amoringira Sunday, December 18, 2022 from 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. Igel affected areas are both sides of the road from Katie's Healing Garden all the way to Franco's store. Tiang adirakal mo include rangar meat, ngarias, sagurakay, ngarkaswal, ngaramay, yubukal, makati, mabebira parts ra idid, and ngarong. Power will be restored to affected areas as soon as the necessary work is completed. Alborngi ang idil garmiu ang sub amiu lomkatong ra customer service ra 488-3870 or 488-3872. May gaigi dam lumayang al-ais sa amlo top der al-sils akong malmasulang. Di ba kung teer mam adra TMC, aku rang rak malungil kurismas sa morgaw, matulungal kakaw.